My name is Tony Alberico. I'd like to spend a minute and tell you about my experience with Vitesse Financial. About 5 years ago, I had got West Nile virus. I almost died. I spent 31 days in ICU. I was not expected to live. I had 7 surgeries and I accumulated huge amounts of medical debt. My income was not able to support that debt. I lost my house, I lost my cars, I lost my 401. However, my family still stuck with me. About 2 years after my experience with West Nile, I had to file bankruptcy. I was not able to get any cars. I was not able to even apply for decent insurance rates because that is based upon your credit. In addition to that, I wasn't even able to get, it was very difficult to find a place to live, an apartment. And so I was introduced to Vitesse Financial. And over the next several months, Greg Tilley and Vitesse Financial went through my credit. And they discovered that there were things posted to my credit that didn't even exist. I had items from my sister on my credit report working negatively against me. I had 2 additional mortgages that didn't even exist. They weren't even tied to me. It was separate addresses and everything else. And that debt showed that I owed huge amounts of debt on that as well. And my point is Greg Tilley and Vitesse Financial was able to work with those 3 credit bureaus to get those items removed. I went from a 430 credit score after bankruptcy up to a 740. I now have 2 new cars, I have a new house, and I'm starting to get my life back in order. Over the last 2 years, I would say, by having a better credit score, not only has it opened up doors for myself and my family, but it also saved me upwards of, I would estimate, about $27,000 to $32,000. The service at Vitesse Financial and the rewards you get for working with them are exponential. They're huge. If you have any questions about your credit, or you have any issues at all with your credit, or getting good interest rates, or whatever the case is, it is worth your while to contact Vitesse Financial. It is worth your while to work with them. Not only will they save you money in the long run, but you'll know what your credit score is. You'll understand credit and how the bureaus work. You'll understand how to make great life changes and how those changes translate into positive changes for you and possibly even your family. If you have any questions regarding my testimonial here, or would just simply like an introduction with Greg, by all means, please email me. You can reach me at tony@madmonkeyprinting.com. Thank you very much. Thank you for spending these last 2 minutes with me. I appreciate it. And I hope that my testimony helps you make a decision that will benefit the rest of your life, because I know it has benefited mine. Thank you.